Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss a simple GET request in K6. In the previous videos, we would have seen how we can install K6 in macOS and also in the Windows. Let us start with the GET request, how the format would look like. For doing a GET request, guys, you have to import that. Just how we import libraries. We have to write import HTTP from K6 HTTP. Now we'll write a simple export function, export default function. Here we'll write open bracket, close bracket. And here we'll write our request, http dot get. Inside this, we'll write a URL. I want to go to test.k6.io. Okay, let me now save this. I've saved this as a get. Let me type cmd here. Click on enter. Now, let me run this get request. For that, guys, just type k6 run get.js. So it will do get request. So one iteration for each one user, and it has got succeeded properly. The script we are running is get.js. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.